Welcome back to the channel. What you're looking at right now is not a rubber ducky, a pen, and a bracelet, a necklace, and some cards and a keychain, etc. These are actually flash drives. In this video, I'm going to turn these hidden flash drives into cybersecurity tools. I'm going to be turning these into bootable flash drives, and I'm going to be putting cybersecurity and privacy Linux-based operating systems onto it. So I'm going to be using Tails Linux for the privacy one. I'm going to be using Kali Linux for the cybersecurity, and I'm also going to be using Parrot Security. To start, we're going to be turning this dragon necklace into a Kali Linux bootable flash drive. So first things first, you're going to hit live. When you get onto the website, you're going to click on the recommended middle version, download it. You're going to need to download all these operating systems, so you got to go to each website and do so. So for Kali, that's how you do Kali. Now for Tails Linux, there's a little link that you're going to see for a Tails USB stick. Go ahead and click on that. And same thing, you're going to hit download, and you're going to let that download in the background. And now we're going to go to Parrot Security website. Go ahead and click on download. Click on live, click on security, and that one, and then you're going to click on download and let it download. So now you have that download in the background. You can go ahead and start getting ready. So I got the necklace here. I plug it into the computer, and I'm using Rufus to do all this stuff. I'm going to leave links to all this stuff in the description. So I want to put Kali onto the dragon necklace USB, and I'm going to just follow the prompts there, hit OK, everything defaulted. And I'm going to let it do its thing. And while it's doing its thing, I'll go over these other flash drives with you. Everything you see here I got on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description. My favorite is probably the pen there. I always use that for like Tails Linux when I'm out and about. And I'm going to do the rubber ducky in that card, and I put Parrot OS on that one. I'm going to put the keychain, the key for Kali, and then the others I'll put Tails Linux on it. Speaking of Tails, the next one I'm going to do is Tails. So this is done. I'm going to pull it out and put it in the other card slash flash drive. I'm going to be putting this in my wallet every day, just so I have Tails Linux with me all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Tails, open, and then just start and just do all the defaults with this one. It's pretty easy. This one's going to download fast because it's not as big as the other ones. This one's just for a privacy-based operating system. So this finishes. I unplug this one. The next one I'm going to do is going to be for Parrot Security, but I ended up finding some stickers. I'm like, I'm going to put the stickers on these cards and make them look 10 times better. Like Tails has the anonymous mask, and the Parrot one is going to have Hack the Planet. So I just thought that was really cool. Just a little nice little feature to add, having a little sticker on the cards. But as you see here, I'm doing the Parrot Security. So this one you're going to do it a little differently. So make sure you do DD image mode. For some reason, if you do that, it works like every time. If you were to do it the default setup way, it sometimes doesn't boot. You have like a bunch of errors. I don't know what it is with Parrot Security, but I always notice that with that one. So nevertheless, that should be done. I'm going to move on to the next device. I'm going to be putting Parrot Security on the, I believe, the rubber ducky. Same thing. Make sure it's DD mode. Okay, and then let it do its thing. Now to set up all the flash drives, it took me about over 2 hours. I didn't want to waste your guys' time, so I'm going to just show you some tests. So I'm plugging in the pen first into my computer here. People that watch my live streams and stuff like they know this is my pen testing computer. So the computer just rebooted. It's booting into Tails. So we're going to stand by to make sure that actually boots up Tails to make sure it's working correctly. All right, as you see here, we're plugged in and it's showing Tails. So we're going to try the other one. So this card I'm going to be leaving in my wallet all the time just so I have it with me. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the computer, and I'm going to reboot it. And it looks like it's doing the same exact thing. So this is successful as well. All right, so it's plugging out rubber ducky head over here. It should have Parrot Security on it. So we're rebooting the computer again. And so you get the Lenovo. There we go. Perfect. All right, and you see the little glitchy Parrot logo when you're booting up, so you know this is working. It's completely fine. So let's move on to the next one. So here's the necklace. Let's go ahead and test it out. See if Kali Linux boots up off of it. And it should. So plugged it in, rebooted the computer, and there we go. And let's just make sure we get that little logo, the pop-up. And there you go. So I tested all the flash drives. I didn't want to waste your time here, so you basically get the gist of it. So it's really easy to set up. I have plenty of videos on my channel that describe how to make bootable flash drives. I just thought this would be a little bit cooler because these are hidden flash drives, so they're not so blatant. I really do like the pen one for Tails. I'm really curious of what distros you guys like. I really do, again, like Tails. The Parrot Security is my next favorite, and then Kali. But a little fun project, nothing crazy. It's just something silly I wanted to do, and I really did. I like it. So I'm going to add this stuff to my collection here. If you liked this video and you thought it was interesting, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you want to be a channel member and help support the channel, it's greatly appreciated. And if you got lost again at any point during this video, there's other videos on my channel that deeply walk you through on how to set up these bootable flash drives and what kind of stuff you need to install to do so. This was a very cheap, budget-friendly project, and remember, safety is an illusion. I'll see you guys in the next video.